All right, so here we are on the LinkedIn groups. Now, the groups is a great place for you to join other individuals that have similar interests as you, or they may be potential prospects, potential customers that you can essentially engage with, connect with, and where you can also join these groups to come in and add some value and be able to connect and engage with your target market. So here we're going to easily get to the LinkedIn group section by going to the work down arrow here and going to the groups, and you'll go here. And then here you're going to see the ones that you've requested and your current groups that you're part of right here. You can easily create a group here, but I'm going to show you how to find kind of relevant groups. So let's go to requested, let's go to discover, and then this is going to show us essentially all the different types of groups. Looks like we have 1,783,416 current groups, and you can essentially look at different groups to join. For me, I'm in the digital marketing space, and the problem with like a lot of these digital marketing groups that I've come across that I've joined and then left is that a lot of these folks in here are coming across spammy. They're just trying to promote products and services, and it's really saturated, and a lot of people don't really know what they're doing. You got a lot of newbies in here, so it can get quite filled up with spam quite easily. So depending on the market that you're in, there's going to be a group for you. And let's say you're in a group for like consulting. We can select that. So let's go to consulting, and then we can find a group here that is for consulting. So strategy consulting network, this may be a potential group here that you'd want to join. Let's even pull this up here. Environmental consulting professionals, financial executive way forward, business consulting here, this may be another potential group that you'd want to join. Consulting contract freelance jobs, maybe another one here as well. Okay, so this one has 58,000 members. Let's go strategy consulting network, 164,000 members. Let's see about this group here. Now, one of the great things about groups, and these are super simple to create. Let's even go back over here. Let's go to groups, and let me go over here, and we can create a new group right here. Literally just create a name, about the group, group rules, standard, and you're good to go. Now, one of the great things about the groups here is that you can have like links in here to your website, or maybe to like a sales funnel, or like a automated webinar, or to like an opt-in page to collect email information. And then all of your members, you can actually outreach to them by sending them emails. So you have a lot of capabilities and features that you can use to your advantage once you have people in your group, because you can market to them. You can only select certain people to join these groups, right? And then if people are coming in, they're trying to spam, you can kick them out. So you're essentially controlling this entire group, right? And you can use it to post valuable content to your market, to your potential customer base, and build relationships that way, and position yourself as that authoritative figure in your marketplace. So that's it for this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.